If you are struggling with low back pain and disc pain, I'm going to show you how to improve your disc height and disc health within 20 seconds. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, and we have helped thousands of people around the world fully recover from disc herniations. And in this episode, number 124 of the Low Back Pain Podcast, we're going to go over a extremely simple 20-second routine that you can do to start improving your disc health today. If you have not joined my private Facebook group yet, you need to do so. It is called RehabFix Low Back Program. And immediately upon joining, you will receive our free step-by-step sciatica guide, one that we have used to help thousands of people across the world recover fully from sciatica. This is literally the same step-by-step process that we take them through during our assessment calls. You can get a clear idea of kind of what's going to help you and what that plan might look like. It is worth thousands, and you will get this for free just by joining the page. And there are other free courses and trainings that I have in there as well. There is tons of information in there. So if you have tons of highly valuable and free information, and you're actually serious about getting better, then you will join my private Facebook group, RehabFix Low Back Program. I'll see you in there. The year is 2022. You've just suffered a lower back issue. Maybe you felt a pop at the gym. You get an MRI and you're told you have a disc bulge or you have disc degeneration. Your discs are thinning and you don't know what to do. And the only thing you've been provided is medications or injections or the option for surgery or just being told there's nothing you can do. Well, all this is bogus. There's a ton that you can do. And there's a super cool study that I'm going to go over with you today that explains exactly how many subjects were able to immediately improve their disc height and disc health at the end of the day with a very simple routine. What was this routine? This was a simple 20-second movement break that was implemented throughout their day. What they did in this particular study is they took a group of people with typical desk jobs who sit most of the day, which is many of us at this point. And what they were finding is at the end of the day, their lumbar discs were thinning by the end of the day. This is mostly due to a loss of fluid, but how do we avoid this from happening? This was tested through an MRI before and after, from the start of the day to the end of the day. So what they found is that by instructing some of these subjects to implement this 20-second routine, they were able to avoid this disc thinning throughout the day and have healthier, more hydrated looking discs at the end of the day than those who did not do this 20-second routine. What is this 20-second routine? This 20-second routine consisted of standing up and then performing a back bend for 5 seconds, a forward bend for 5 seconds, and then tilting to each side for 5 seconds. That is it. And this was performed every 15 minutes. And what they found in these individuals that made the time for these 20-second movement breaks, that at the end of the day, their discs were healthier, they were more hydrated, and they felt better too. What does this tell us? Quick interruption. If you're listening to this podcast and you're resonating with the things that I'm saying, and you're finally ready to be pain-free, and you don't have a plan, and you're not sure how to get there, and you're just looking for that guidance, then visit the link in the description or the show notes below. You can schedule a free initial call with my team, and we will actually go over your current regimen, go over what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, and how a better plan might potentially show you how to get to that pain-free state that you've been looking for so that you can get this over with and back to living your life. So if you're ready to finally figure this out, then visit the link below, schedule a call with us. Looking forward to helping you. Back to the show. This tells us that your discs can be manipulated by movement and exercise. Mind blown, right? Disc herniations can recover all the time. In fact, 97% of disc herniations can fully recover without drugs, injections, or surgery. This is what we do online with our clients all over the world. And movement is the key to this. You need to find the right movements for your unique situation. So this simple 20-second routine can be extremely effective for improving disc health at the end of the day. And this will help you feel better. But this is just one very small piece of the pie. It is very, very simple. It most likely will not be enough to lead to full pain relief, but it shows the power of movement for your spine. So now, what is the next step from this? Well, if we can see that this simple 20-second routine can improve disc health so much, imagine what a specialized disc rehab program could do that implements many more movements on top of this. Yes, it is crucial to have frequent movement throughout the day. This is why we make a lot of posts and episodes about posture and how posture doesn't really matter because frequency of movement matters. And this study proves that. But in addition to this increased movement, which is incredible, we need to identify the right specialized movements for you, your disc problem, your low back problem, and ultimately your situation. By combining a movement-based lifestyle with the right exercises in your situation, then you will see extremely fast results that you have not been able to achieve anywhere else. And that is what we help people around the world figure out through our one-on-one online coaching program. So do not be afraid if you hurt your lower back and maybe you're told that you have a disc problem. This is all we do. It is extremely common and you can recover with the right plan. You do not need to resort to drugs, injections, or surgery. You do not need to rest and quit your job and do any other disastrous type responses that many individuals are told from the typical healthcare system. You can recover. You will recover. You just need the right plan. So start moving more at work. Implement this 20-second routine into your day. Maybe drink more water so that you have to go to the bathroom more. There are very simple techniques that you can use to force your body to move more and get movement implemented into your day. You will feel better and you will see the magic of movement. Now, does seeing better disc height at the end of the day mean that it is curing anything or it is fixing anything? Not necessarily. It just tells us that your disc can be manipulated by movement and that we can improve our disc health with movement. But by this one routine just showing better disc height at the end of the day, it does not mean you're fixing the actual root of the problem. It just means you are better managing your discs and your condition than simply sitting in the same place and not moving. It is a better management strategy that can mediate your symptoms, but not fix the root problem. We need a more specific approach in combination for this. So if you are taking these 20-second movement breaks every 15 minutes, it would be extremely beneficial to then combine that with additional movements and exercises that are targeted to your specific condition. Just combine it and get an even better outcome, even faster results so that you can get better quicker and you can finally put this behind you. Once again, be sure to join my Facebook group, RehabFix Low Back Program, so you can get additional exclusive content and our free sciatica guide immediately upon joining. And you can look at the additional upcoming content that we're created just for individuals in that page. It is a great way for you to join a community of serious, intentional individuals, and you can get to see some of our clients winning as well, so you can get a real idea of what is possible for you. If you are watching this on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are listening on your favorite podcast platform, please leave a 5-star rating and review so we can grow this podcast and help reach more individuals who deserve to get results, who feel like they're spinning their tires and getting frustrated in doing so. As always, move more, move in nature, move in the sun. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.